In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Read AI to Google Calendar. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Read AI account and you have access to the Google account you want to connect. A stable internet connection helps, and if you're using a work or school Google account, be aware that your organization might have admin controls that affect permissions. Start by logging into Read AI. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a section labeled Integrations. Click that to open the Integrations page. This is where Read AI brings together the tools it can connect with so your meetings and schedules stay in sync. On the Integrations page, locate Google Calendar. It should be clearly listed, often with the recognizable calendar icon. If there's a search bar, you can type Google Calendar to find it faster. When you see it, click Connect. That button starts the secure linking process between Read AI and your Google account. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to use, especially if you're signed in to multiple accounts in your browser. It's important to pick the same account that holds the calendar you rely on, so your events show up where you expect them. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to the permission screen. Google will now ask you to allow certain permissions. These typically let Read AI view your calendars, check your availability, and depending on your settings, create or update events related to your meetings. This is a standard, secure OAuth process that lets the two services talk to each other without sharing your password. Review the permissions, and when you're comfortable, click Allow to continue. After you grant access, you'll be redirected back to Read AI. You should see a confirmation or a status change indicating that Google Calendar is connected. If your workspace shows a connected apps section, Google Calendar will appear there. From this point on, Read AI can sync with your calendar so scheduling and meeting summaries align with your actual availability and events. If you don't see the prompt, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and confirm you're logged into the right Read AI workspace. And if you're on a managed Google account and the connection is denied, your admin may need to enable the integration. That's it, you've connected Read AI to Google Calendar, and you're ready to keep your meetings organized and your schedule in sync.